We are going to pay for it for her to go. Here, take it. Bring her. She need to go. She doesn't need to be in prison. Let me have her. Okay, take her for me. You see, she wanna go. You see, she need to be free. Free her like you are in prison. Free her, go. You see?
Go.
What is she? She go. Release her, let them go. Let them free themselves. Let them enjoy. When she's inside here, she look like she's inside a prison. Now she's free. She enjoy her life. They don't need to be in cage. There are some of them are for pets. But bad like that, they need to go. They need to go and enjoy. You don't need to put them. But I know that is your business. That is how you make money. But she look like she's in prison. When you go to the prison, you don't feel up. That's how they make. Even though you give her food, water, but she don't like it. I just free her anytime.